Hi, in front of me is Lenovo Tab A7 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Open it. Click Allow, then tap Home button and select iOS Launcher by tapping on it. Choose Always, click on Got it, and as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!